can give you very quick tips as to what you should be asking, what questions you should be asking. Number one is it has to be an open source.
Open source, what does that mean?
So first, it has to be a content managed system. And CMS. What a CMS is a system on the back end where you have access to very simple, no coding required, so you can update. Like, let's say you sold something yesterday, it shouldn't be up there anymore, or have a sign that says sold. And then that way you can change your information. You hire somebody, you fire somebody, you update. So that's what a content managed system is. A system where you can manage your content, which you should be using WordPress. WordPress is very easy to manage and very easy to build on, and everybody, I'm a huge believer in WordPress, and you can do big and small on WordPress. That number one. Plus it has a lot of templates, which is probably what you need, that then are responsive, so it responds to the size of your screen. So if it's a tablet, it responds to the size of the tablet, so it doesn't look weird. And if it's a small phone, it responds to the size of the phone. That number one. Number two, you should have open source code, which means that it's available to the public when you develop it, so that you are able to have other developers come in and use it. If you have a proprietary system, then nobody but the people that you hired can do anything to it, which is always a bad thing. Because you don't want just one person. Well, what if you don't like what they're doing? Then you have to start from zero. You should have an analysis phase of your site or of anything that you do. It's analyze what are your needs? Who is your target market? Who are we talking to? What are the areas that you should be trying to reach? What are the things? And then you do what we call wireframe, which breaks down how it would look on paper. Then you go into design, and it's a physical, well, I like it, I want the picture here, I want it. And then the last piece is you go into development.